Hello beautiful people, my name's Paul. Some of you might know me and us. When I say us, myself and my business partner from Cooking with Steam. Cooking with Steam was a website we developed over 10 years ago, which was aimed at people who had combi steam ovens and providing recipes and tutorials for those people to get the most out of their appliance. What we're doing here at Demystified Cooking, we're trying to make it the ultimate destination for anyone looking to level up their cooking skills and get hands-on with the latest technology, maybe in their new kitchen. We're going to do a bit of a deep dive into cooking methods and techniques, from the basic that every home cook should know, and maybe to the more advanced that'll level up your culinary creations. We don't want to stop there though. This channel is also going to be your guide to navigating modern kitchens, and we'll do some in-depth demos, not so much reviews, but demos about the latest in appliances, whether it be a combi steam oven, which is still new to a lot of people, the induction cooktop, vacuum drawers, pyrolytic ovens, what all these things can do for you, and maybe help you in your journey to building your dream kitchen. So whether you're upgrading your kitchen, want to cook healthier, want to cook better, or you're just curious about the latest tech, you're in the right place. So click this subscribe button, join a growing community of food lovers, tech savvy cooks, home chefs, and let's see how we can cook better, smarter, faster, more efficiently together. We're not designed to be for experienced chefs. Whether you're just moving out of home for the first time, or maybe you've been cooking at home for 20 years, hopefully some of the skills that you'll learn here will help you just improve your game, and we'll dive deep into the why an egg poaches the way it poaches, why things work the way they work, how a steam oven actually works, how an induction cooktop actually works. So if you're interested, please subscribe. It's free to all, and I'll see all of you beautiful people again soon. Thanks a lot.